next to the stage.
Do you like poetry?
Give it up for Craig.
On Wednesday, July 19th, all are invited to experience a poetic vibration featuring Jamaican poet and author Craig A. Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. Many other poets will be performing live at the free open mic. So support the poets, tell your truth, taking place at the True, 60 Valley Street, Providence, Rhode Island, starting at 7:30 p.m. Hey yo, Orange Live, your events are so amazing, sponsored by Risca, CIC, Bank Newport, and RI Foundation. Tell them precisely.
I spent a few days of my holiday in the Holiday Inn while I was all the way in her. We took warm shower together. She gripped me tightly, precisely, nicely. I whispered soft words in her ear, telling her how much I care, and she called me God. But no, I was more like Moses as I stretched forth my rod.